Hello everyone, welcome to Oliveboard. I hope all of you are well. Oliveboard has come up with a series called Word of the Day, and today is day 130 of the series. In this series, I give you a new word every day, its meaning and its usage in different sentences. Apart from that, I also give you the synonyms and antonyms of the given word. So this series will be beneficial for you since it will help you enhance your vocabulary and it will also help you if these same words come up in the exams that you are preparing for. So let us look at today's word. Today's word is tyro. The meaning of the word tyro is a person who is new to an activity, or you can simply understand it as a beginner. So, a person who is new to an activity is called a tyro. Now, let us look at a sentence and try to understand this word tyro better with the help of that sentence. The sentence that is given to us says, I look forward to seeing this young tyro's next ballet. Tyro here is being used as a noun. Now let us look at the synonyms and antonyms of this given word. The synonyms can be beginner or newcomer. The antonyms on the other hand can be expert or veteran. Now guys, we'll use the language Hindi to understand this given word tyro better. जो सेंटेंस हमें दिया हुआ था हम उसे हिंदी में ट्रांसलेट करेंगे और इस वर्ड टायरो को बेटर अंडरस्टैंड करने की कोशिश करेंगे. The sentence that was given to us was I look forward to seeing this young Tyro's next ballet. तो सेंटेंस ये कह रहा है मैं इस युवा नौसिखिए की अगले बैले को देखने के लिए उत्सुक हूँ. यहाँ पर टायरो का मतलब है नौसिखिया होना. So guys, we have used both the languages, English as well as Hindi, to understand this given word tyro better. I hope you liked the session. Like the video, share it with your friends, and for more such content, stay tuned to Oliveboard. Thank you and have a nice day.